guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you guys saw yesterday's video, you guys know I did a Q&A video. If you don't know about it, well, go check it out. That Q&A video is actually one of the main reasons why I am making today's video, which you guys already know what it is based on the thumbnail and the title of this video. I will be recreating my look from last Comic-Con 2018, Veronica Lodge. Actually, maybe got asked this question about 5 times during the Ask FM portion of the Q&A, and I just didn't want to answer right away because I knew that would take a long time to explain, and maybe, who knows, I just wanted to make another video out of it to explain fully for you guys how I recreated or how I created my Veronica Lodge look. So basically it's self-explanatory, and I will just show you guys how I created my Veronica Lodge look. So for the ones who don't know, I was actually supposed to go as Lara Croft for the Comic-Con event, but I decided to go the cheaper route. And my hair was already this length, so it would have been perfect to just go as Veronica Lodge instead of buying a wig to be Tomb Raider or Lara Croft. So since it was very last minute, our shopping was last minute as well. You guys have no idea what I went through. I literally went to 3 malls just to look for an outfit for this. Well, okay, to be fair, I did find the outfits already like on the first day, but I just wasn't sure because I was really hoping that I'd find the exact outfit. So let me explain. So for my baseball shirt, the yellow and white shirt, the baseball shirt, I actually got it from Folded and Hung. Funny story, this is actually a t-shirt, not a baseball tee. And shout out to my mom because she actually made it seem like it was a 3/4 shirt because, well, the sleeves were really long, and because it was a large shirt, and then she just made it in a way, I don't know if you guys can see that, she made it shorter. Well, she made it tighter by sewing it. So mom, you are amazing, thank you so much. That is how it became a baseball tee. It was very cheap, and it was actually on sale. It was a buy one take one item, so my sister got the take one item. I think she got a baseball tee as well. So it was Mayberry, what word is that, Alex? What word? It was maybe around like 800 something, if I'm not mistaken, more or less. So it was actually really cheap. Okay, and next for the shorts. Funny story, I had such a hard time looking for the shorts because I already wore them. I knew that we washed them already, and I just couldn't find them. And you know where I found them? I was already wearing it. Oh, Alexandra, you're so silly sometimes. Anyway, these shorts are amazing. They're super duper soft, and I actually got them for 5 pesos from Forever 21. The reason why they only cost 5 pesos is because I actually had a gift certificate from Forever 21 that I won online. Thank you so much, Facebook. I won a 500 peso gift certificate, and it cost 505, so I was just so happy because I only had to pay 5 pesos. So yes, I love these shorts. I will be wearing it forever because it's comfy. I love comfy things. Okay, next item are the socks. So a story about these socks is that they're not exactly high knee, but they're almost there, but it's just not knee length. So I saw them on the first day. I went to look for the clothes, and I was like, I don't want to get it. It's not the right size. So in the end, I basically just bought the same thing. And yeah, I just stretched it a lot, and yeah, it was really great. It turned out really great. So yeah, I got these socks from Dickies. Can you see? Dickies. Very cheap as well. If I'm not mistaken, around 200 something. I lost the receipt, so I'm sorry I can't tell you the exact price, but they're very cheap, so don't worry. And they're super duper nice. And last but not least, the shoes. I basically just put on a pair of white shoes, and that's it, because that is the main costume for Veronica Lodge, well, her cheer outfit. And yeah, I just basically continued wearing my pearl earrings, so at least I could have something pearly, because you guys know Veronica Lodge, Veronica, she loves wearing pearls, so that was my pearl-ness of her. Alrighty, and now for the part I might dread. Well, I will dread. I'm dreading it already. You guys know how I am not exactly good at putting on makeup, especially putting it on myself. So I will still try to show you guys how I made the Veronica Lodge makeup look. Hope it works. So basically, I'm just gonna zoom in on my face for this one. Whew, wish me luck. Here we go. All the makeup artists are gonna hate me. So for the eyebrows, I actually use a waterproof, what do you call this? It's for your eyelashes. I'm so sorry. Yeah, I use this. It's from Maybelline. It's Hyper Curl. And I basically just use that for my brows. And since Veronica has like these like super archy like her eyebrows are like really up there. I hope I don't mess this up. So yeah, I'm just gonna make it seem like it's really pointy. I look horrible. Anyway, but we'll fix that, don't worry. So thankfully I have concealer. Oh my gosh, I feel like such a bad makeup artist. I'll never become a makeup artist. So I am going to use the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte. Mine is 108, the number here, and it's caramel beige or beige caramel. I actually think I need a darker one now because I came from the beach and I'm so dark. So anyway, this will have to do for this will have to do for now. I basically just put it up there to like erase the other parts, the other unnecessary parts. Not bad. Alright, and those are the archy eyebrows. I'm sorry, world. Okay, next part will be the Ooh, okay, I think I know what's next. Okay, so she kind of has this like smoky eye thing going on. Lord help me. So I'm sorry, I suck at makeup. So I'm using Estee Lauder. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it. I'm sorry, makeup artist. Don't kill me. Basically, I just used the purple one. She likes purple. Okay. Alright. It broke! This is gonna be so funny just to watch again. I suck. I'm so sorry. So she's got that smoky thing going on. And I suck at putting on makeup. I suck. If you guys think I suck at doing makeup, give this video a big thumbs up. If you guys think I super suck at putting on makeup, which I probably do, tell your friends to go subscribe to me so they can watch me suck. Oh no, I just remembered the next part. Oh, it's the worst part for me. I'm probably gonna do one eye first for the eyeliner and then just show you guys the finished look. Well, the finished other eyeliner look later because I don't want to mess up that badly in front of you guys and probably fix this eye makeup because I look horrible. I look like I have black eyes. And just someone punched me. Okay, and now for the eyeliner. Honestly, the part I hate because what sucks is that I'm using the L'Oreal one. It says super liner expressionist. What I hate about doing this is that it always looks good on the left eye, but once it's the right eye, it's like the worst. So Veronica Lodge has this like cat eye looking thing going on. So if you want to get the look right, you just have to really make it like catty and wingy. Is that the right term? I'm so sorry. Oh my gosh, I suck. I wonder how many times I've said that already. Is someone willing to count that? Anyway, I'm just gonna show you guys the after look in a while. Woo! And we're back and I just tried to fix it. It still looks bad. But it looks better than before. Alrighty, so now that the hard part is done, we go back to the Hyper Curl. And I will use this now for my lashes. Honestly, I'm just so happy I already have long eyelashes, so it's not that hard. Like, I don't need to get fake lashes. And just for this look, I decided to like put my lower lashes as well. Okay, I think that's it. Yeah. So yeah, and for the last part, another L'Oreal product. It says Lucent Magic-Key. Oh, there's another name for this. Glow Blush. There you go. So that is the name of my blush. And I'ma just... Oh, it looks so much different now that I'm darker. Alright, and I think that is it really, because I think that is all I did for the look. So I just fixed my hair. Well, not really fix, just let it down. And yeah, I guess that is it for the look. I look like her? Do I not look like her? I'm sorry. Did I butcher the look? So I guess that is it. And now it is time for the outfit and makeup reveal. Let's go.
Stay one more night. Don't you know that my love is true? Let's make things right. I understand what you're going through. Stay one more night, and I know that it's not too late. Let's make things right. You just have to believe in fate.
That is it for the video. I know I sucked at the makeup part. I'm so sorry. I don't know what I did this video. So yes, that is it. Again, if you guys have any questions, feel free to comment them down below. I'll make sure to answer them. Or if you guys want to comment on how bad my makeup skills are, please feel free to do so. I will completely 100% agree with you. And don't forget, if you like this video, or in this case, even if you didn't like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Better yet, subscribe to my channel and turn your post notifications on for more videos. And I will see you guys soon. Bye.